This is an orientation to your online credit recovery course through BVSD Online. Check out our website to make sure that you're updated on tech specs, on all technology requirements. There's a link embedded in your welcome email, so you can find it there. It'll show you the supported operating systems, supported browsers. You'll notice there are 4 listed here, but Mozilla Firefox is by far the best and will save you the least amount of headaches. Make sure you have the following features enabled and that the required software is up to date. There are links to download the most updated versions right here. Next, log in through aventalearning.com. It's going to bring you to your homeroom. Click on your active course in order to get to your classroom. On the left-hand side, you will see your course navigation bar. This is where you're going to find any necessary information that you will need to move through your course. You will automatically open to the announcements page each time you log in. If you want to get in touch with your teacher, click on Staff Information. You will see information about your teacher, as well as contact info and office hours. Email is the quickest way to communicate with your teacher. To get started, click on Orientation, and then click on Syllabus to see the materials that are required for the course. It will be listed right here. This particular course is Spanish 1B, and there is no required text, as is for most courses. However, if you're in an LA course, you'll want to pay special attention to this section. Next, click on Schedule to see the dynamic course schedule feature. This will allow you to plug in a start date and an end date. Make sure to print a copy, as it will not save after you leave the screen. Your mentor will also send you a pacing schedule. You will notice that you generally have 5 units to go through in 4 weeks, so you'll have to double up during 1 week. If you have a super busy schedule during week 2, make sure that you're going to double up during week 1, 3, or 4. Online courses are flexible and can be catered to your schedule. These are just 2 different ways that you can set up your pace. Next, I want to show you your course. Click back on the house to get over to your main page, and then click on the first title under Orientation. This is your first unit. This example shows a lot of different things available, but you will notice that when you first enter the unit, you will not see very much material. Most likely you will see something like this where it says click above to begin. It'll show you some introductory material. You mark review, or you will just see your first quiz. Because this is a credit recovery course, you have the option to test out of the material that you already know. If you show mastery on a quiz, you will automatically be moved to the next quiz or assignment for the course. If you do not show mastery, then the required content will appear for you to learn. It will be marked by a folder icon like this. You will have 5 attempts for each quiz. You can also find the content ahead of time by going to the orientation bar and clicking on Table of Contents. You can see that each section correlates with each unit. If you would like to know how you are doing in the course, click on My Grades. This will show you everything that you must complete in order to finish the course. At the top, you will notice that it says Average and Cumulative Grade. The average grade is what you are earning on everything that you've turned in so far. The cumulative grade is what you are earning in the course with all the assignments factored in. Anything that has not been completed yet is factored in as a 0. To see how many attempts you have for each quiz, click on the grade recorded for that quiz, and it's going to show you your attempts green. This one only has 1 attempt, but you can click on the grade again, and it will show you the actual quiz so that you know which questions you answered right and which ones need some work. Note that the most recent quiz is what goes into your gradebook, not the highest grade. If you have questions about the content in your course, contact your teacher. If you have questions about your passwords or if you're having technical difficulties, contact your mentor. Your mentor is the BVSD Online representative who sent you this email. Please make sure that in the email you locate technology requirements link, and here's the video, that pacing schedule I showed you. Here's where your start date is, your end date, username and password, and your exam passwords. So please keep this email handy for future reference. Have fun!